DJ's Boo Breakfast.
Good morning, BUCIE! Welcome to the DJ's Boo Breakfast! Woo! Welcome, 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 welcome!
Are you serious?
Our guests are certainly in studio with BUCIE. So excited to have you once again.
Thank you for having me.
You were just telling me that you're in studio these days as a new mom. Sleeping late though? Is it late nights?
It has to be late nights if it's not during the day. So,
But do you find it easier working at night or during the day? When do the creative juices really flow?
they flow anytime.
Yeah.
I think, like I just said, Kuti, life is so different now. Back then, I was okay with being in studio until 4 a.m. Now, I have to worry about being home before ixesha lokuthi sivuke and take the kids to school and everything else. Yeah.
You write your own music, BUCIE, no?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I do.
And then where do you draw inspiration from? Like in terms of, I was with a comedian yesterday. I asked him about content. Where do they get content? And he tells me content is all over them. When because now as a mom, I don't think you do clubs these days unless you're booked.
Unless I'm booked.
Yeah.
That's it. And I don't miss them I don't miss clubs, hey?
You don't miss
I
clubs?
don't.
Nah? So, but now, what do you prefer? Do you prefer being in clubs or doing gigs? Maybe go stadium or like what type of gigs do you enjoy and prefer?
Those are the ones that I'm preferring, which is a stadium. And now what I want to do is I'm going to be doing my own.
Yeah.
So instead of always waiting for someone to say we want to book you so that you can come and perform, I am saying, okay, listen up everybody, it's been a while since we've connected. Let's connect it now and and I just do my own show instead. Can you be my Superman?
Yes, sis. Yes, sis.
Will you be my Superman? It's so early for me to be singing.
Morning Mastermind.
Will you be my Superman?
At Mastermind, follow him up. BUCIE. Lalela, what was going on in your mind when you were recording this track?
When we were recording this track,
Bungakashadi phela la.
bengekashadi.
Nathi sasinalezi crushless.
You guys understand?
Yeah.
Before I became a dream crusher.
Superman.
Right, with the song, it was shortly after Turn Me On. I think I remember I was with Udemo when I got the text from Munati saying, yo, I think let's hit the studio again.
Nice.
And when I got to studio, he already had this melody. Can you be my Superman? He recorded it on his phone.
Yeah.
And he kept saying, so you're gonna say whatever, but then you go.
The whole line, the link.
You be even how can you be my Superman? That's all him.